Okay, everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. We had tons of glorious rain last night. I mean, look at the sky, and we're going to have a downpour happen any minute. And so before it does, I wanted to talk to everybody and let you know that the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden is practicing what they preach. They're about sustainability. They're about, creating habitat for creatures as well as people. Anyway, I'm not going to talk too long. I want to run you by the system and show you what we're doing. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what we're doing. I was going to end the video here, but I think we're going to start with this video. So this water that you see, it's watering the tree. This ironwood tree really needs a lot of water because of the drought. It really took a hit. And so we're doing deep watering. We're emptying all the rainwater that we got from last night, and it filled up this whole tank, and I'll show you in a second. The reason we're emptying the tank out is because the tank filled up. We're anticipating it's going to rain any second. So we're emptying it out so it won't be wasted when we get future rain. So let me walk you through how this system works. So excited about this. It's and you could do something like this at your house. So the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden's roof, actually, it's like a butterfly roof. It's like butterfly wings, and they actually catch water. They push the water down into a hole in the roof. The hole is attached to a pipe. The pipe exits here, and it comes into this rainwater catchment system, a rain barrel, if you will. And then in the back, we have a pipe that once this thing fills up, it pushes water into a pipe here. So that's 50 gallons we save here, and that's called a sump pump. And what happens is when that sump pump gets full, it clicks on, and it pushes water out into a 3/4 inch pipe. Well, that pipe goes underneath these bricks, and it goes into this white pipe here. It goes on top right here, and it fills it up to 530 gallons. Now, once it's full, it'll exit here, and so that's why we're pushing the water out today, right now, because we're anticipating more rain. So we want to get water on site to keep it, to contain it on site, so we get as deep watering as possible. Now, how are we pulling the water out of the sky? We actually have a pump. This is a typical, I think it's a liter pump, but we plugged it in and we push a button there, and then we put a hose to it. Otherwise, these typically rainwater catchment systems are gravity fed, but it's hard to feed. It's hard to get a hose in the bottom here and have any pressure. That's why we have a pump that's helping us out. And you can see all this water is rainwater. So we're hoping to empty this of it's 500 plus gallons of rainwater that we got last night, and it feels like I feel the raindrops starting to happen now. So we're going to cut this video short and think, reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, all those words. They're amazing, but we really need to start thinking about this now. Rainwater catchment at its finest at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. For more information, you can contact us at enviroscapela.com, or better yet, go on to the website manhattanbeachbotanicalgarden.org. This is Mike from Enviroscape. Take care.